Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tei Jae. What's good, what's up? As you guys can see, we're here with 𝚾𝚑𝚜𝚗𝚗 hair today, and I'm going to be installing their HD curly wave wig. So yeah, today's install of course is going to be very much beginner friendly. I do have their 13x4 lace frontal wig. She's 180% in density. She is 22 inches. This is what she looks like straight out the package. Okay, this is the lace. They did give us the Swiss HD lace, and I'm obsessed with this type of lace because it's super thin, it's very soft, undetectable, and you know, it allows our real hair underneath to breathe. So I did cut the combs out from underneath of it, but it does come with 3 combs in total, so sorry about that. So I am putting it on my head for the first time, so you guys can get a look at what she is looking like. I'm not going to wash her, condition it, like I said, install fresh out of the pack. And look at the hairline, look at the hairline come through 𝚾𝚑𝚜𝚗𝚗𝚗. So I'm just going to go ahead and take some cream foundation and place it underneath the lace. This is my lazy girl hack when you don't feel like bleaching the knots. And one thing I love about the HD lace is that the knots on the lace are super small. So bleaching is not necessary because you can barely see that they're there. Now I'm just going to go ahead and seal everything in by using my 𝚑𝚜𝚜𝚗𝚝 spray. And then I'm going to take my blow dryer on a hot heating setting and just let everything dry. So normally when you flip over the hair, you're going to have to brush out the hairline because sometimes the 𝚑𝚜𝚜𝚗𝚜𝚗 gets on the outside of the lace and it hardens the hairline. So yeah, I'm going through with my hot comb as well because I'm going to go ahead and prep for plucking. Like I said, plucking is not necessary or needed because as you guys can see, the hairline is already thin, flawless, but y'all know I'm extra and I just want my hair to have a little bit of more of personality. So I'm just going to extend the hairline back. As you guys can see, I'm not really touching the front of the hairline unless I need to, but I'm just going in just to thin it out just a little bit more. All right, so this is what it looks like. She is giving, okay? Can we say skin melt in the building, okay? Because she is melted without me even melting it. So that is what I'm here for. So I'm going to go ahead and take my Erika J wax stick, and we're going to go ahead and put this all over the hairline, and we're going to follow through with the hot comb. Now I'm just going to take a pair of scissors to cut off the excess lace. Now, like I said, for my beginners, I would recommend using scissors. You have more control, but also just make sure you're cutting jagged edges. So yeah, I also show you guys that I use a razor too. You can use whatever you prefer, whatever comes easiest to you. The results are the same, but you know, for beginners to have more control, try scissors. So now I'm going in with my Ebin Wonderlace Bond Adhesive Spray. This is the Supreme Hold or the Extreme Hold. I've worked with this a few times with this spray, but I'm not going to give a review on it yet because I still need to fill it out. I will say though, I do love this version 10 times better than 𝚑𝚜𝚜𝚗𝚗𝚗 and also the red Ebin spray that I've been using, y'all. This, so far, so good. Anyway, I'm starting off in the center of my head. As you guys can see, I placed a pretty good amount of spray on my head, and I pushed it back into my hairline using my fingers. As you guys can see here, I'm just tapping on the hairspray just to see if it's tacky. Once it is tacky, I then go in and lay down the section that I sprayed the glue on. Now, what I would say is just to take your time. Make sure you have an ample amount of time to do your installs. Nothing makes you feel worse, or nothing makes the process more worse than not having enough time, because you're gonna get frustrated and you're gonna be rushing and it's gonna be a mess. Sis, even though I've been doing my hair a lot, if I don't have enough time, sis, it's not coming out good. So that's a tip. Like I said, I'm pushing the product back into my hairline, and I do want to make sure that my dryer is on a cool heating setting and that I'm waiting until it's tacky. Don't lay it down before. Follow up with more cool heat, and then, let it set like that. So now I'm just going to take the elastic band and place it around the hairline. I usually let this sit for about 3 minutes top, only because it's super tight and I don't want a line on my head. So it's up to you though. But anyway, I did those 2 swoops. Now I'm just going to go in and show you guys some beginner friendly swoops. If you don't want to cut into the hairline, I would just say just go in and just make swoops. Okay, swoops, they don't have to be neat, they don't have to be perfect, but I just spray my brush with a little bit of 𝚑𝚑 glue, and that's pretty much how I create the swoops. It's super simple and super easy, and I really see a lot of people doing that on their natural hair. Anyway, we're going into the curly hair routine, and I'm just gonna wet the hair. Today I want my curls a little bit more defined, so I am gonna go in with some water, some leave-in condition, and a gel. Now please be sure to detangle your hair before you put water on it. For this clip, I forgot to detangle it first, so do that, then add water. I do like the hair damp when I want my curls very, very much defined. So make sure it's dripping, okay? I said damp. Make sure it's soaking, okay? Make sure there's a lot of water in there. So after I do that, I then go in with some leave-in condition, and then I go in with the gel. Now the gel I'm using, I forgot what it's called, so I will leave it in the description section below. But it is a water-based gel, and I'm telling you, if it's feeling sticky, it's not going to stay sticky. When this gel dries, I'm telling you, the hair returns back to soft. It's not sticky, nor it's hard. That's why I really like this gel, okay? So I'm also scrunching up the hair as well, just to make sure the hair is defined. So yeah, y'all, I'm just doing that to the rest of my hair. I was just gonna let it free fall and not have a part, but I did ended up making a middle part and, just going with that flow. I did also cut it a little bit to frame my face as well, but I didn't record that, so But this look good, y'all. This looks good. I'm super impressed with this HD lace. It looks freaking amazing. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. All information in regards to this hair will be listed down in the description section below. And until my next time, well, until my next video, y'all, I can't talk today, sorry. Until my next video, I will see you guys later. Bye, guys.